Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I've got something for you today. And that is sushi bake. So this version is my take on that dish, but it's a little bit extra than what you see online. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First, we need to make the sushi rice. So here are the ingredients that you need to make the sushi rice. And then we have to make the seafood filling, and here are the ingredients for you to do that. And lastly, the toppings that will go on top of your seafood filling, and then some extras like the teriyaki sauce and the fried shallot. So we start by cooking the sushi rice. So we start by washing the rice first. I wash it 3 times, sometimes 4. It depends if the water is not yet clear. So if the water is not yet clear, it means there's still starch in the rice. So we have to take all of those starch out. And then after that, we have to put in 1 2/3 cups water. The reason is that because we're putting 1/3 of a cup rice vinegar afterwards. So it means we have to cook the rice with less water so it won't be soggy when we mix in the rice vinegar afterwards. While the rice is being cooked, we need to bake the salmon. So we need to season it with salt and pepper and add a bit of rice wine to give flavor to the salmon, and the second use of the rice wine so that the salmon will not dry out inside the oven while you're baking it. So you have to bake it for about 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now we have to make the sushi vinegar. What you need is 1/3 of a cup rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of salt. Then we need to boil the mixture until the sugar and salt has been dissolved. Now that we've finished making the sushi vinegar, we have to set it aside and on to chopping the surimi sticks. Just so you know, Surimi sticks is wrapped in plastic, so you have to take that out first before, chopping it into fine pieces. Now, you put the chopped surimi sticks into a bowl and you mix in a cup of Japanese mayo, half a cup of sour cream, give it a good mix. Add a bit of salt and pepper to flavor it, and then set it aside. By this time the rice has been cooked, all you have to do is put everything onto a casserole or an aluminum tray in this case, and then put in the vinegar or the sushi vinegar that we've boiled earlier, mix it in with the rice, mix it well, and then pack it neatly onto the tray. Then we sprinkle the furikake on top of the rice. Then bring out the seafood filling and spread it neatly on top of the casserole. Then after the salmon has been baked, we have to chop it into pieces and then sprinkle it on top of the seafood filling. And then once again, sprinkle some of the furikake and then some Japanese mayo and Sriracha sauce. And there you go, it's now ready for the oven. And then the final step is to bake it at 170 degrees Celsius at about 12 minutes. After baking, scoop a spoonful of the sushi bake and put it on top of the nori sheet. Add a few drops of the teriyaki sauce and sprinkle it with fried shallots. There you go. I hope you liked this video. Hit the subscribe button and click the thumbs up if you enjoyed my video. See you next time.